everybody. Welcome to the JoshIsBroken2 Cooking Show. Today's theme is Halloween. I'm Ghost Josh. I'm here for the booze. And in today's video, we're going to be making some cookie skulls with whatever I have lying around in my kitchen. We're not going to be baking this either. We're just going to eat it raw. I like taking things raw.
I have a penis, okay?
This is looking like a skull, boys. It's about as pale as me. Here it is, boys. My Halloween skull.
I am a man, and I have a giant fucking penis, which makes me a man. I will never be a woman. That's fucking stupid.